Hi, this is Kumaraswamy. Today I'm gonna teach you how to write the code to the next frame when you click the button. Here is a code, new file, save it as next frame, then name this layer as text. So put some text on the stage. It's 1. Next go to next frame and hit F6, or since you are using the latest delta apps, use function F6 to get keyframe and rename it, edit as frame 2. Go to the frame 3 and put the same code, paste it, F6. Go to frame 4, function F6, same thing, and make it as frame 4 and make it as 5th frame, make it as frame 5. Simple. Next, I'm creating a button. Those are aware of button, no need to create again and again. And I'm writing a text that is next. Change the color to red. Keep this here. Change the whole text and the rectangle to the button. See, look at here. You have to check for the button and write it as next button. Click OK, and in the library you will be seeing your button. Here use your button, and I'm writing a code for this. For that, first you have to place your button in a new layer so that you may not complicate button. Keep your button in the first frame, drag onto the stage and write the code for this. How to write the code? Just select the button, go to Windows, code snippet. Here, look at here, the actions code snippet. Then you will get an go to timeline navigation, next frame and stop. Simple code comes here. Change the function name as your wish. That's next frame function, let it be. And I'm copying this and pasting over here. Make sure the function name here and here should be same. Look at here, the button itself, button 1 is a default name. We want to change the button name. How to change? While you are debugging, you have to get that one. In the properties menu, see, here is the button one. So instant name, you have to change the button name. So this button name, so this button name you have to use here in your action panel. Here is your action panel. That's the one. Save it and play, control enter or control function play as you wish. See, it is moving every time, but our button functions, but for the first time the animation is not stopping. So please place a stop over your code so that your animation gets stopped in the first frame itself. Save your file, control enter or control, go to control menu, Flash Professional. See, 3, 4. This is the way you're gonna work it. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. See you.